Hey guys, in this video I will show you best binary option strategy special for you. Today I will not share best IQ option script and best IQ option indicator. Okay, I will share best binary option strategy. Okay, so let's start trading without any indicator and any script. Okay, and if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel for next video and next update. And if you not join best binary option broker account, link in my description box, simply click and sign up, start forex and binary trading. Okay, so let's start trading with this strategy. This is a not strategy, this is a technical analysis, candlestick psychology and candlestick pattern. Okay, so let's start trading. Okay,
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Baby, it's just treat your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. You're chilling when the rain. Some kind of